Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 22nd of June with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. I'll move on to Eurodollar now, and Eurodollar has not really moved. It had a slight drift higher back end of last week, and it's sort of consolidating still under this massive resistance of around that sort of 1465 area. Interesting that what we've seen is, again, early doors today we had that pushing sort of slight gain on the euro, about 30 pips to the upside, but that's unwound completely now, just around 10 pips down on the day. And that move is still seeing that RSI being dragged back below 60. It can't get above 60 on that RSI, and that to me says that it's not ready yet to break out above that 1465 resistance. Key resistance that is overhead, and it's not, I believe, not ready to do it. And I think that's sort of showing that the momentum isn't strong enough to do that. On an intraday basis, you'd still say it's positive. You'd still say that it's sort of finding these higher lows in sequence. Let's see if we can get an uptrend going. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. So there is an uptrend in there. So you'd be looking at that really. But I'd say that you'd probably looking out for the 1291 initial low of Friday's low now to be that your support, because that is a pivot level. You would argue that is sort of old support. So old resistance becomes new support. So around that 1290 level is interesting. But certainly you'd want that to stay intact if this sort of run higher is going to continue to go, because you wouldn't want to see a key low like such as that to be breached. Also watch out for the hourly RSI. I would say continues to come back towards 30 and push on higher again. So if it starts to move below 30 on a consistent basis, that would be a concern of mine. Just really noticing also the MACD lines didn't really push on too far before rolling over in this corrective play today. So it's interesting, isn't it? This euro is really struggling to push on, and I think that is that key resistance at 1465 that is such a big level that it is prohibitive for the bulls at the moment. So lack of momentum, and you've got that overhead resistance. So it's interesting. This could be in the process of beginning to sort of either consolidate or turn around. So I would certainly watch out for that 1290 support in place there, and also the whole sort of watching out for this uptrend as well. So we could see some pressure on this one. But anyway, at the moment it's holding on, but it's sort of consolidating sideways as obviously these Greek developments unfold. Maybe it'll have a move on those Greek developments, but at the moment it's not really moving along with the DAX, and also the German Bund yield that has pushed higher. That positive relationship between the euro and the German Bund yield has sort of not been taking hold recently, so that's an interesting one as well. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.